a salad dressing without any oil. It's really possible, and it's delicious. I just popped the prop carrot into my mouth because the dressing is so good. You can use this dressing that I'm going to show you on a salad, or you can use it as a dip. Hi everyone, I'm GloryB, and this is GloryB-TV, the lifestyle channel for mature women who want to look fabulous, feel amazing, and age gracefully. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. Click the little red subscribe button below the video on the right side, and then click the little gray bell that shows up, and you'll get notified every time there's a new video, and all the videos will apply to you. This sweet and tangy salad dressing that I'm going to show you how to make real quick is so good. It kind of reminds me of honey mustard dressing, but there's no honey in it, and I have Dijon mustard in this. So let's get started and I'll show you how to make it. The only appliance you'll need for this is a blender, and all of the ingredients are listed below the video in the description box. I'm starting with a half a cup of water. Now the trick to these to get a nice creamy, almost looking like a ranch dressing, is no dairy. It's raw cashews, unsalted, not roasted. And also I am putting in some apple cider vinegar and dates. Make sure you take the pits out of the dates before you put them into the blender. And I'm using Dijon mustard. I just bought some inexpensive coarse ground Dijon mustard from the grocery store, and 1 garlic clove. If you need to mince that up beforehand, that's okay. After you put all of the ingredients into the blender, let it sit for 15 minutes because that will help the cashews to get softened by the liquid. After 15 minutes, you can turn it on high. You can add more water to this if you like, or keep it at the thickness that comes out with this recipe. This will last covered in the refrigerator for a few days, but make sure you eat it up. And like I said, this is how thick it is, and I haven't even refrigerated it yet. It will thicken up. So if you like it thinner, put it back into the blender and blend it up with a little bit of water to thin it out for salad dressing. But yeah, it's great as a dip. Now I have my second carrot prop here. Check out some of my other videos by clicking one of its images on the right side of the screen, and I'll see you in the next video.